Hey you all, welcome back to Vlogmas on my channel. Today is Sunday, December 15th, and we are going to be pretty busy today. I have to go take my baby to see Moana number 2. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I keep saying Moana. I think it's Moana. I don't know, but we're gonna see the second one. And then after that, I wanted to go check out Gingerbread Village, which is in Spring, Texas. So it's not far from me. I'm in 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞, so yeah, it's not that bad of a drive. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. As we literally have about 30 minutes to get ready, so let me get to moving faster. We are on the way to watch Moana 2. I'm in the back seat this time. So if you know us, you know we're late. The movie started, well, we're supposed to be there at 2:50, but you know how movies have all these commercials in the beginning. So we're gonna be there at least by like 3. So it ain't bad. But it's 2:57, so we're not that far from the Regal. As you can see, like, literally live in the country, y'all. Literally.
Guys, see what I just got. Money. At the movie thing. Delicious the Boss.
Yeah, we saw Wicked. Go check it out, Johnson. So, room auditorium. Oh, 2 through 11 this way. Ooh, this is a scary. Okay, so we're at 3. It's so dark. We missing them. Oh, it's right here. Okay. So we have to go to floor 3. Oh man, I'm tired. Okay, there we go. Did you like the movie? Mm-hmm. You really enjoyed the movie?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
I want to go there back again. That was a fun movie.
Yeah, it was a good movie. I just don't know what it was about because I came in too late, so I didn't know what we were doing. I mean, I don't know what the movie was about. But everybody else liked the movie. What's going on? She's so funny. So we're on the way now to Gingerbread Village.
And we just got back from the movies.
Yeah, the movies was fun. We have to do a car switch because my husband didn't want to come.
Yeah, we had.
And he got the baby at home, so pretty much we just finna go to Gingerbread Village. I wish you could put your seatbelt on though. Seatbelt. Hey guys. It is so nice here, y'all. We made it to, well, we almost there. We're almost to Gingerbread Village. My sister's here and all my nieces.
Oh, I can play with the snow.
Josh is not feeling well.
Get over here.
There it is there. Oh. This is a cute place. It's just a lot of people here. That's why I don't like. That was a walk to get all the way over here.
Something.
The more you roll, the faster you roll. Oh. Nah, y'all.
You would have thought when the that's why you would stop. Oh, wow.
Y'all want to walk over there?
Yeah.
We can walk on this side this time. Granny on the way with the medicine. So you all, we just made it back home from Gingerbread Village, and it was just okay. Is it worth it? Let's see what the kids think. Did you enjoy Gingerbread Village? You did? Was it worth it? Would you go back?
Yeah.
Rated out of a 1 through 10.
What does that mean?
What do you think about Gingerbread Park? Was it fun?
It was fun.
But he was sick the whole time. So what would you rate it?
Like,
Out of a 1 through 10, 1 being the lowest, 10 being the highest.
I mean, I was sick, so I'd give it a 1.
Would you go back?
If I wasn't sick, yeah.
All right. Well, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog right here. And happy Vlogmas. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. Bye. Bye. Please ignore this table. Bye.